Do you want to win the contest of who has the best yard for Christmas? I know I do. I know the judging is coming up, and what we're going to answer for you today is which of these 4 VEVOR snow machines is the best one to win that contest. So to keep things all fair so we can evaluate, we are using the same fluid in all of these. I will include the link down below if you want to know which fluid we're using. I've used this in the past. It works great. And I think the only way we can do this is I am going to crank them up. Let's start blowing some snow around, and I'll go through each one, give you a little bit of the basic specs. They all have kind of like different use cases, and you guys can make your own decision as to which one's blowing the most snow, which one's the most effective for you. Let's crank these things up and see what they do. Okay, so this is the LM LED 1500. As you can see, it's got LEDs in the front in addition to where it's going to disperse the snow. Comes with the hardware. You can see it would go here to mount it if you were going to hang it somewhere. And that way you can like put it higher in the air, kind of disperse it a little different that way. Comes with a 1-gallon reservoir, which is a really nice size for one of these things. As well as, here's one of the cool features of this. This has DMX controls, right? So you could control this with a light board and set it up that way, as well as controlling it with the remote control. Is pretty comprehensive. We got on and off for the snow, LEDs on or off, how much snow we want, how much snow we don't want, obviously colors, jump, flash, all those kind of things. As a result, it only has like one master on off switch, a really nice heavy cable, and then you can see how much fluid you have left in the reservoir. This is a really nice kind of quasi professional commercial unit. It's definitely heavy duty, heavy quality, lots of options for you with this one. Hey, I wanted to jump in here real quick. If you haven't hit that hype feature here, it is so important on YouTube right now. Please hit that hype feature. So this cool looking thing is the LM, the VEVOR LM 1200, which is interesting because this is clearly a 1500 watt machine, but it has a 1200 moniker name. On the front, you can see this is where it disperses the snow here. Obviously, it comes with this cool stand, which gets it up in the air, gives you the ability to control the pitch, the angle. It won't rotate on its own. That's something you should know. And in terms of the remote control, it's a very basic remote control where you could turn it on, off, and the volume you want. Super simple, but that's really kind of all you need. And then here you control the minimum to the max, minimum, on and off. Very straightforward, and it has a really nice long hose. This nice long hose means you can really place this kind of anywhere you want. This is definitely a super competent platform, kind of very professional, thought out. I think the only thing that you need to know is this one doesn't come with lights, so you're going to have to control your lights some other way for this model. This is a really interesting one. This is the LM 1200. This is a 1200 watt snow machine. Some really interesting features. It has the snow launcher is actually on the top. You can control the angle. You can control the angle of it, as well as it will automatically rotate. Let me show you that switch. Here are the switches. You have that head switch for the rotation, minimum, maximum, on and off, and minimum, maximum fan volume. This thing is really kind of a cool version, right? I love the fact that it's going to rotate the head. We'll see how that works in real life. This is a remote, a very simple remote for this one as well. And this one actually does not come with its own container, but it does come with a nice long hose, which fits perfectly inside of this gallon container, which I use to fill up all of these machines. I think that's a really cool one too. Okay, and here is the LM 900 snow machine, which is probably the most kind of consumerish. Has a smaller self-contained snow juice holder, as well as simple controls on the back in terms of the volume on, off, but a really nice competent control where you can turn the snow on or off, adjust the amount of snow, the LEDs on. You got options between flash, fade, jump, and all the standard colors for that. Let me show you the LEDs in the front. This is what the front of this unit looks like. Looks really pretty cool. This is like a great basic pick it up, put it down in your yard, and you are ready to go, but definitely a much smaller reservoir than the other ones. All right, what do you say we flip the switch, start making us some snow? Somebody blew the fuse. Time to go reset that and reorganize. All right, so clearly we're gonna do 2 at a time because, oh man, these things chew through the juice. But how cool did they work? I think these things are, obviously these are both 1500 watt units, so you're talking a lot of power, and that's why I went through the juice so fast, because I had them on maximum. Both of them pounded through the juice in about the same amount of time. I've left them, both of them, 2 of them are running because I wanted you to hear just what they sounded like, so you had a feel for that. This is the commercial unit that you could hook up to your light board. Has LEDs in the front. You turn them on. So you can see the LEDs in the front. Very cool. I don't think you could go wrong with that. This one here, again, no LEDs. But I love the fact that it comes with the stand and the flexibility to mount the 1 gallon container anywhere you want. White looks cool, and obviously you could mount this from a ceiling mount also, but this thing is possibly the most flexible for, like, if you were going to travel somewhere, go to a different location, you want to just pop it out, put it on, and have massive amounts of snow. This is definitely the way to go. All right, there we go. A little bit of a breeze going now. This little guy makes a much smaller flake, right? It's a much smaller flake that comes out of it, but for its smaller size, it is absolutely pounding the snow out and throwing it a really far distance. I think the LEDs are super cool too. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so I love the way this one works, where you can control the rotation. Now this one, these 2 are a little louder actually, even though they're smaller units than the other one. But oh man, I love the way that it's turning, distributing the snow everywhere. You can angle it up or down, however you want. That's super cool. Overall, you can't possibly go wrong with any of these. They were each in their own way ridiculously cool. I hope this video helped you decide which one you want. There are links here on the screen or down in the description. All of them work the same way. That link in the description is going to take you to Amazon, where it'll be one page with all 4 of these, and you can choose whichever one you wanted at that time. But that way there's only one link that you have to worry about. These things are so cool. You can't go wrong with any of them. I think they are all absolutely awesome. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.